Guys, welcome to the Noble Shrimp channel. My name is Audrey and today I'm about to do a closet purge. This is long overdue. What I'm about to share with you is a travesty, guys. I mean, I have overconsumed this year. It doesn't make any sense. This is the most packed my closet has looked in a very, very long time. Probably since I can remember, since we've been living here. It has never been this packed ever. And yeah, I don't have any excuses. I make up excuses, but they're not legitimate excuses as to why I hang on to things. I make up reasons to keep certain things. Even though I do get rid of a lot of things, there are a lot of things that I keep and hang on to because I say, this is gonna come around and I'm gonna need it. Or I'm gonna lose some weight and I'm gonna get back into it. Or you just never know when this fashion style might come back into play. So I just keep making up these excuses. It doesn't make any sense. And now it's time to start making sense when it comes to letting go of some things. So I'm going to try to get rid of at least 3 bags of clothes, hopefully more, and shoes and accessories, all of that stuff. And I'm going to take you along with me. So spring is in the air. Pollen is everywhere. I'm congested. And it's time to clean. And that's what we're gonna do today. So if you need a little bit of inspiration, encouragement, keep watching this video because we're gonna clean our closets together. You may not start today, but after watching this, this may inspire you to start. So let's go ahead and take a look at this travesty that I've been talking about. Okay, guys, this is the closet. I have a small walk-in closet, guys, but it is jam-packed to capacity. There's no rhyme or reason to how things are in here any longer because I just kind of been throwing things in here. Shoes are everywhere. It's absolutely ridiculous. It's like I feel claustrophobic when I enter in this closet now, and I don't like feeling that way. Even the back hook is jam-packed to capacity. This rod has fallen down several times this year because of the weight of the clothes, and I've had to put it back up. But yeah, so this is it. This is the closet, and it's time to lessen the amount of stuff that's in here and spread the love and share the love with some other people. So yeah, we're just gonna start pulling things out, and I might regret some of the things that I get rid of, but I'm gonna try not to. It is March 22nd, and it's 11 minutes after 6. I'm still using natural light, so I don't have much time left. I don't know why I started so late, but I have a million black dresses and I have a million reasons why I should keep all of them. So I've got to get rid of them. But I tell myself, you know, you're going to wear this black dress. You're going to wear it. You're going to wear this one eventually. And yeah, you're definitely going to wear this one. Oh, without a doubt, you're going to wear this one. Oh, and this one too. You're definitely going to wear this. You're going to be prepared for no matter what. Black occasion, black tie affair, funeral. Yeah, you're going to have those. That's what I tell myself. But I need to narrow it down to 7 dresses, 1 for each day of the week, and then the rest have to go because there's no reason why I should have this many black dresses. None whatsoever. Do you feel me? Do you feel me? Now I want to only hang on to 7 printed dresses. That's it, 7 printed ones. So this is one that I love. I really didn't wear that much last spring. I picked it up last year, but I didn't really wear it. But I definitely want to hold on to this one for sure. And I definitely want to hold on to this one. So I'm only going to give myself 7 printed ones. I mean, that way I'll have, yeah, 7. So definitely going to keep those 2. This one as well. I don't know. I just like it. I love the colors. This one I'll hang on to. And this one and this one. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now it's down to the red dresses, because you know I love red. So this one is just a classic. I'm definitely going to hang on to that one. And this one, which I just recently wore. So definitely going to hang on to this one. Needs to be ironed, but that's another one. This one I only wore once. I got it kind of late in the year, but I'm going to hang on to that one. So that's 3, 4, 5, and I think that's all the red dresses I have. So I definitely want to hang on to that red. And this is pink. It's in the red family. So 6. And I wore this for the tea last year, but I haven't worn it since because it's so short. So I don't know if I should hang on to this or not. I think I'm going to give this one away. So that's 6. And then this one is a jumper. And I've worn this a couple of times, but I guess it's time for me to give it to someone else. So I'm going to go ahead and give this one away. I don't really have a lot of white dresses. Oh no, this hanger broke, but this one is so cute. And so I'm definitely going to hang on to my white pieces because I don't have a lot of them. I only have a couple. So definitely going to hang on to the white. Well, this one's black and white. I just thought that was so Chanel-esque. This one just gives me royalty vibes. So, and it's black and white. So that's 3 pieces. And then this white jumpsuit, which I need to have cleaned, but I love it. I think I'm going to hang on to this one. This one's just a classic piece. This is a dress that I have just been hanging on to, and I haven't worn it since I thrifted it. This is a Liz Claiborne night dress. It's very well made. It's a size 8. It has a velvet top. It's fully lined. It comes with a belt. Has this beautiful kind of cream bottom. It does have a full like skirt underneath. And this is, it makes it stand out. It's kind of doubled up and it's very stiff. It just gives it some flounce at the bottom. Oh my goodness, I love this dress, guys. But I'm willing to depart with it if you want it. If you're interested in this dress, I can sell it to you. You can email me using the email in the description box below, and you can cash at me. I think I would sell this for $12, maybe. Yeah, 12. It's a nice evening dress. But anyway, let me know in the comments below if you're interested in having this. I can get it out to you. This is something I've never worn since I bought it. I thrifted both pieces at 2 different times, and I just thought, oh my goodness, the matching purse to the matching dress, and I had to get it. I just thought that was too cute, and I haven't worn it since I purchased it. So here's another set that I'm willing to sell. This runs small. It's an extra large, but it's made in China, and I'm a size 8 and it fits me perfectly to a T. So you know the sizes run small. So a size 8 in Asian sizes is considered large, extra large. So yeah, that one with the cute little matching purse. Like I said, it fits a size 8. My measurements are 36, 30, sometimes 29, depending on how much I eat. So 36, 30, and then like 40 in the hips, like a size 8. So yeah, if those are your measurements and you're interested in this, I will mail it to you for $12. Just email me. You guys, I am going to be giving a lot of things to Goodwill, but I'm just offering a few things up for sale for my viewers who watch. Isn't this a cutie? Oh my goodness. I have not worn this since I purchased it at all, but I just love it. I just think it's adorable. I think I'm going to hang on to this one though. I do. Maybe I'll wear it to church. Is this something you could wear to church? Or do you think no? I love it. I just think it's adorable. So I definitely want to hang on to this one. It's like so 80s and I just love it. It's so well made. It has the shoulder pads and everything. So I definitely want to keep hanging on to that. I thrifted this little Indian piece and then had it, what do you call it? Tailored, or had alterations done to wear. Because I love like ethnic prints, but I haven't worn it anywhere. I have not worn it at all, guys. I mean, what am I doing? What am I doing? Oh, and these gowns. I have these gowns. I wore this one. I bought it brand new. I wore this one twice. This one I have not worn at all. I'm just hanging on to it. I don't know why, but I am in the hopes that I'm going to wear it. It's a Tahari gown, gold. I cannot let stuff go. Okay, this one I've had forever and a day. It's too cute. It's a little knit dress. I've worn it forever. I don't think it's gonna ever go out of style, but it's time for it to go to another home, unfortunately. Oh, I hate to let it go. I know I'm not helping anybody. I'm not inspiring anyone. You know what, guys? I'm just going to have to shut this camera off because I'm not helping you. I'm just going to go through everything and try to get rid of much stuff. And at the end, I'm going to come back and show you how many bags I filled up. I'm trying to fill up 3. I'm losing daylight. And so I'm just going to kind of speed through this real quick. And then I'll show you the after effects of the closet once I'm done. All right, guys, I've been at this for a little over about an hour and maybe 40 minutes or so. As you can see, the sun is setting. I have completely lost daylight. My voice is hoarse, but I think I made some progress. I'm going to go ahead and show you what I was able to get done with today's purge. Oh, my voice, sorry, allergies. But I'm going to go ahead and show you what I was able to get done with the purge today. So let's see. Okay, so this is how the closet looks. I know you can't probably tell that much of a difference from before, but you will in just a few minutes. But just to kind of let you know, I was really focusing on trying to thin down this area, which I did successfully. I got rid of quite a few dresses. And I only got rid of 2 pairs of boots, no handbags, several jackets and sweaters and tops, a few skirts, no pants, and a few tops. So yeah, that's how the closet is looking. But you can see the biggest progress by the bags. So I got 2 full bags and 1/4 of a bag, and my goal was 3 bags, so I didn't do too poorly. And then you can see by the hangers on the bed, these are the hangers that these clothes were on. So as you can see, that's quite a few clothes that I got rid of. So overall, I think I did pretty darn good, if you ask me. Well, that is it for this spring closet purge. I hope this video inspired you to get out there and clean out your closet. And like I said earlier in the video, if you're interested in any of those items that I shared with you in the video, if you want to purchase them, just email me using the email in the description box below. And the first one to email me with the item that they're interested in that I said was for sale, then I will go ahead and notify you, and then you can we can work out a payment for that through my Cash app, and then I'll get that mailed out to you. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you get into the purging spirit if you really need to do that. And remember to be a good steward of all that God has given you, because He loves us so much. I love you too, and I'll be back real soon with more videos. Bye.